Hi, in this video I'll show you how the Learner Navigation menu works and what features it offers for your training. The Learner Navigation menu is the main control panel for your learning process, helping you quickly find the materials you need. The interface consists of three main areas: the top quick access bar, the left sidebar, and the Smart AI Assistant. The top quick access bar is optional. It is configured by Academy administrator, so it may not be presented to your account. Up to 3 links to external resources can be placed here, such as knowledge base or an official company website. The left content sidebar is your main control hub. With it, you can switch between sections. Courses, the main catalog of content. Meeting and ILT for planning and tracking webinars or meetings. Exams, a section for taking final assessments and reviewing your results. Video interviews for recording your own responses and completing tasks. Performance review, a space for 360-degree surveys and assessments forms. News, a feed of internal company announcement and important updates. Gift shop, a section where you can exchange points earned through learning for corporate marriage, rewards, or gifts. These sections are also configured by the administrator, so some of them may not be visible in your account. In the bottom right corner of the page, you'll see the Smart Wave AI Copilot. By clicking the beacon icon, you can ask a question about the course materials at any time, and you can get the accurate answers with the link to relevant lesson. The assistant only operates using the knowledge granted access to by your administrator. Hope it helps and good luck with your academy.